golden. Before we get started on the video, I want to talk about some upcoming projects and current projects. The only thing that I have left to do on the Ox King's vehicle for the Dragon Ball characters, or the Dragon Ball mini kits, is to paint this whole area flat black. The problem is it's about 20 degrees outside, so spraying is not going to happen, and I don't have any I don't have an airbrush, so I'm gonna have to hand paint this. And I know what you're gonna say, brush marks and all that stuff. It doesn't have to be flat black, so what I'm probably gonna use is the Abaddon black, and I'm gonna mix it, or I'm gonna use my wet palette, so that'll hopefully keep the paint thin enough to where it won't leave brush strokes. But in the off chance that it does, it'll be hidden behind a windscreen, so I'm hoping that maybe this doesn't have an issue. And then 2 new projects. So my sister plays Dungeons and Dragons, and none of her friends have their figures painted. They're all using just the out of the box. These are Reaper miniatures circa 2014. They're nice, but the one thing that I don't like about them, you can't really see it on here, but these things are super flimsy. Super flimsy, and I don't like that one bit. Plus also, if you're familiar with Dungeons and Dragons, I'm not. We'll refer to it as D&D from now on. Her protagonist, which is an archer, has a copper dragon, and this does not look like the copper dragon that she showed me. I will post a picture of what it should look like. I may have to do some modification. Several people have suggested to use this, like customize it how I want. Use this to make a mold out of harder plastic or a harder material. I don't have the ability to do that, not yet anyway. But yeah, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I may just paint it out of the box and just, specific colors for the dragon she's wanting to use, because she's used this figure for I don't know how long, and it's been just fine for her. So I don't know, but that is to come. So I just wanted to show you some future projects. We still have to get the remaining paint needed for this guy, which for the purity seal, the parchment off the purity seal, and the leather pouch on the back. But other than that, like it's pretty much done. So this will probably be up for sale. I don't know. I may keep it just to kind of have it around. And then, of course, last but not least, so I've got to quit procrastinating on this guy. I really need to finish up or decide what I'm going to do, whether it's just going to be decals, then good old panel line accent color. I don't know. Or I may just tear it apart and completely repaint it. But I guess the benefit of Gunpla is that even if I did do this out of the box, I mean, the only thing I'd have to buy, other than paint stripper, would be more decals. So, I don't know. I may just leave it completely box standard, and that's it. I want to get into scribing work eventually. So, who knows? But, yeah, enough of that. Let's get started on finishing Yamcha's Mighty Mouse. Keep watching. Hey guys, Not So Average Builder here, and we're going to finish this thing up today. Everything has been painted. It's been weathered. I want to do some light weathering on it. It's going to have a little diorama. There's some scuffs, whatnot. But we are done painting this guy. It's a pretty straightforward assembly. I may end up having to glue him in, but right now he seems to be holding steady. Steering wheel's on. Now let's work on old Yamcha. There it goes. Slide arms in. That arm's on. We're ready to set Yamcha in his seat. And he's in. So I am officially going to call this one done. But yes, so, oh, just kidding. Last thing. And that's it. And this kit is done. I'm going to do some more white in the headlights just to finish it out. You have officially seen Yamcha's Mighty Mouse. It's done. It is ready to go. And we're going to make a diorama. If you want to see the full build series for this little kit, it's not very long. It's a couple of videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and find the Dragon Ball mini kits playlist or the Yamcha's Mighty Mouse specific playlist, and all the ones pertaining to this are on there. But that's all I've got for you. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when my next video drops. But that's all we've got for you today. Bye!